what strikes me is the diversity involved here. You know, all of the different types of manufacturing that we come across, but also everything from hardware, software, systems integrators, all the different focus areas that could possibly be available for those who want to kind of be embarking on these kind of journeys. It's fantastic.
First focus we should be looking at is, will this element of transformation or digital transformation we're putting in place actually deliver what we're trying to achieve for our primary key performance indicator?
Work on and implement the bits that make sense and add value and make a difference to your business. And this environment's a great place to discover that. You can look around, you can talk to people, you can see the automation that's available and what's going on.
Yes, we're talked about we're in a recession, but from a manufacturing vibe perspective and from an outlook perspective, I would not say the manufacturing sector is in recession at all. I think this is a great opportunity to be involved in manufacturing.